Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I do keto vlogs, a day in the life of, reviews, what I eat in a day, meal prep, grocery hauls, you name it. I'm 37. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love all the clicky clickies. I know some of you like that intro, some of you don't. So I don't know, maybe I'll switch it up in between days. I do have some new friends from Elizabeth's channel, the Countess of Low Carb, and I welcome you all and thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope that you like it here. This is the time that I normally show you what I'm eating. This is my work lunch break, that's why I'm in my car, and I will show you what I'm eating today. So normally I bring my own lunch or I have Keto Chow, but today was a coworker's birthday celebration, so they got a Jimmy John's party platter, and instead of having what they had, they ordered me an unwich. So I just got the turkey BLT unwich, and if you've never seen it before, basically it's just big lettuce with turkey, tomato, mayonnaise, and bacon. That's it, and it's really good. It's a little messy. I should have grabbed some napkins, but yeah, while they're all enjoying their little sandwiches and their bags of chips, I'm enjoying my Soleil water and my unwich. So another new low today, you guys. Another new low. I am literally shocked. I weighed in at 225.6. 225.6. Yesterday I weighed in at 227 on the dot. I weighed in at 225.6. That is my all-time low, you guys. My all-time low. I am so excited, and that is after eating. I did have, if you've seen the video from yesterday, I had half a pint of Rebel ice cream, and I just was so full. Like, I don't know, it's working. Everything is falling back into place. I'm feeling good. I'm happy. I'm full of energy. I did my 2 coffees today. I'm loving it. By the way, that coffee was really good. That caramel brownie whatever in the Eco Pods, very good. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna watch some YouTube, and I will check in with you guys later. All right, guys, I am home. I am sitting down to eat a quick snack before I start packing and head out. Snack, I guess. It's just 1 serving of tuna fish. It does have a little bit of celery in it and mayonnaise. I don't put a lot of mayo in my tuna. And then I just have the rest of this sparkling ice peach nectarine. I did eat 2 pieces of ham and 1 slice of bacon. And I'm not super hungry, but I'm just gonna eat because I'm gonna be on the road. So I'm just gonna eat something little. I may eat something later when I get to his house, but I may not. This may be enough for me. We have our pumpkin pie praline, skinny syrup, and we have our Omega Power Creamer. Pumpkin spice, courtesy of Omega Power Creamer. Thank you so much. By the way, you guys, I forgot to tell you, this entire time, you can use my code to get 10% off on this. I think it's like KETOMOMMA 5. I'm not sure. It's in the description box anyways. Okay, so not only did I get the coffee, but I also got a Trenta Green iced tea with no liquid cane sugar and 5 stevia. Here's my beautiful coffee with the pumpkin pie praline. That is my favorite ever. With the heavy whipping cream that I got on the side and my Save the Turtle straw. Mmm, so delicious. I need to start telling them, just keep your straws. I don't even need them. All right, guys, I'm packing everything up, getting organized, and I'm headed to Chris's. I'll see you soon.